favorite Home Depot, checking out what plants they've got. So let's get started. So in this little corner, we have these philodendrons. I am actually not sure what they're called. I always thought they were called lemon lime philodendrons, but there's two lemon limes. These are $21.98. Let's see what they call them. They call them houseplant. And I think these are so cute. They're in their little pots. And then above, we have some exoticas. And they're in these cute little pots. They have little like rainbows. Well, there's different designs. Let's see how much these are. $12.98. Pretty cute. Over here are some itty bitty teeny tiny peace lilies. Oh, maybe these are like to plant outside or something. They're in a little 4-pack. No, maybe they're just this small. Let's see. Wow, $1.98 for this little 2-inch peace lily. Oh my goodness, I've never seen that before. That is so cute. And there's some ferns over here. I'm not sure what this fern is called, but it's $4.98. It's a little rust colored, really pretty. And some maidenhairs. This one is also $4.98. And here are their African violets. I want to know African violet prices now. $4.98. So I'm seeing 4-inch plants are just $4.98. Beautiful colors. Really pretty. Really easy to take care of. Palancoes. Let's see, these are 4-inch peace lilies. They look the same size though. Like, might as well get the small one. These are $6.98, so it's definitely better to just get the small one. They're pretty much the same size. And bromeliads. On this side over here, we have these philodendrons. I'm not sure how much they are, but there's also $4.98 bird's nest. Their 4-inch golden pothos are $4.98. And then they also have variegated Scheffleras. And coffee bean plants. Yes, coffee bean plants. And here are some Dracaenas. Crotons. These ones are $3.98. Crotons are $3.98. Nope. Well, this one right here is $3.98. Okay, and look at the cute little plants that are underneath. So here we got a bunch of like peperomias going on. These are so adorable. Okay, so here are Peperomia Hopes for $4.98, and there's some Rana Verdes, and these guys, which I forget their name. Let's see if it's on here. No, it's not on there, but I will definitely write the name down for you guys. And then some mini watermelon peperomias. Very cute. And those are pretty much all the peperomias they have, which is a really vast selection. Even though there's only 4 kinds, that's pretty vast compared to other places, right? Continuing on, there's some more Dracaenas, snake plants. These big mamas are $20, which I feel like is pretty good. $20 for this big baby. There is a money tree, $24.98. And Fiddle Leaf Figs for $20 as well. These look like the compact Fiddle Leaf Fig. I could be wrong. Right here, they have a $24.98 Ficus Audrey, I believe. It's a little bit fuzzy, so I think it's an Audrey. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. inside of this Bromeliad bowl, there are, well, I can't remember what they're called, but this Hoya that is so pretty. I wish they had the Hoya separately because, I don't know, I'm not really a fan of Bromeliads or combo bowls like what's going on here. I used to have some, but I killed it from not changing the soil it was in. This is a weird combo. I guess it looks nice, but I'm just not into combination bowls. And here we have their air plants from Rainforest Flora. Really cute little air plants. On this side we have more money trees for $14.98 and $14.98 snake plants. Some ponytail palms. I still touch them. Some Monsteras, Monstera deliciosas, and more Crotons. These are like the wavy leaf ones. And some more philodendrons. Some Birkins. This is the first time I ever saw a Birkin. These are $14.98. The first time I ever saw a Birkin at a big box store was here. I think this is a Raven ZZ. Well, they're at Walmart all the time. $21.98. I'm still so shocked to see them out in public. There are some Aglaonemas. These are $14.98. I think these are called button ferns. And they're $12.98. Yeah, they are called button ferns. Okay, my camera ran out of space, but we're continuing the tour on my phone. So we have some Aglaonemas here. This one is, wow, $39.98 for a silver bay. And then this big guy is also $39.98. The pink one. They got some basketed snake plants for $34.98. And a Kentia Palm for $79.98. And a bunch of Fiddle Leaf Figs. This one's basketed. And it's $36.98. Oh, there's two of them in here. Here is a big deliciosa. I want to know how much this is. Whoa, it's $100. I think that's the most I've seen yet. Whoa, these babies shot up in price. Maybe it's just bigger than usual. I don't know, man. I don't think you can even see the full extent of it. This is where they have their hanging plants, and I love that there's literally 3 layers and all of it is filled up. There's Pothos. Down here we got some black Pagoda lipstick plants. Really nice. These are $16.98. There are really ginormous goldfish plants. Look at their little goldfish flowers, so adorable. It's the little mouth and everything. I wonder how much these are. These are only $24.98 for this big thing. Like, you guys, it's really big. Above is this massive Syngonium. This one is $19.98. Ooh, it's a rusty colored one. I can barely hold it far enough. And then there's also red Marantas for only $9.98. To go down here, looking pretty healthy. Oh, and then Brasil philodendron for $9.98 as well. So here we can see better the Syngoniums, the $9.98 Syngoniums, and there are heartleaf ferns. This is $9.98, and then this Brazil is $12.98. Another one was $9.98, but I do think this one is more full. Oh, and there's also more red Marantas. But I just noticed this ivy right here, and it stood out to me because these are just plain green. And this one has some really pretty variegation, kind of like a mojito Syngonium, and it's $12.98. That is really pretty. And this is the quote-unquote expensive plant section because of the pots that they're in. The adansonii are $15.98. I think these are narrow form. They have very skinny leaves. And there is a struggling, it looks like alocasia. Let me see if it has the name. Nope, it's just an alocasia. But it's $12.98. The other one doesn't look that great either. There is a Nanouk Tradescantia. This one looks really cute. I love the small leaves. Also $12.98. Some just regular Marantas, Birkins, Marble Queens. Over here in the front, they have these Hoyas. I like the pot that they're in. I like how it looks like aged terracotta. But it's $15.98 for a 4-inch plant. And there's also these really tiny, I don't even know what these are. They're just like baby philodendrons. And check out these Fiddle Leaf Figs that are only $100. These are massive for only being $100. Like, this is the same price as that deliciosa was. If you think about it, that's a lot. And of course, we're not gonna forget the orchids. I really like the shape of this one. It is so pretty. I love the little speckles of purple. And they also have Xerographicas, which are only $21.98. That is a very good price. Usually these are more around $30. And finally, we have some more Raven ZZs, which are only $20, and they come in a terracotta pot. All of these are pretty good. There's even regular ZZ plant. I mean, not regular ZZ plant. And there's also this Alocasia, which I'm not sure what it is, but it does have a cool stem, and it is $16.98. It's very tall.